After no sight or sound of any court paperwork or filing for any cases with regards to 2 false defamation claims against the channel, the time has now come where we're about to send you ours. Hi there, and thank you to everybody for joining me in yet another video back at the channel at Just Gone Viral. If you're new here, we'd like to cover crime and news, give analysis, and also bring you information that sometimes the mainstream media won't always tell you. So please like, share, comment and subscribe. Let's get straight into the video. Just to make sure that we don't upset the little snowflake any further, we are going to have to refer to him as Tubby. Tubby didn't seem too happy or pleased with the last videos we released surrounding him, with 2 false defamation claims and then also 2 privacy policy claims. One where the even intro hadn't even finished before the video had begun. Unfortunately, it seems that Tubby isn't very educated in defamation, and it seems he wasn't smart enough not to learn from his first lesson, but then to go and do it again. This means that I can now book my holiday, and by trying to put false claims on the video and block it, all you did was play yourself and got finessed. If anything, the smart move would have been to do absolutely nothing and just stay quiet. To be honest with you, the video would have got quite a few views, but nowhere near as much because of the noise you made. All that's happened for the past 2 weeks is I've been bombarded with texts, emails, subscribers and viewers leaving messages, asking where they can find this video. The one thing you'll learn and discover in life is that narcissists are known for 2 things. One is never saying sorry and taking responsibility for their own actions. It's always someone else's fault. And the other one is shame. So what are the next steps, I hear you ask? Well, like anything, there's a procedure and a process. So the first thing we'll be doing is giving Mr. Tubby here his first letter. This will be for the total sum of the amount, and in other words, a request and a demand. 2 of these have to be filed before then letters from a legal person or solicitor will then be filed. After this is when court proceedings will happen. In short form, this is exactly the same process that would happen if you were served a penalty charge notice or a bill. Some of you, the viewers and subscribers' comments had me in absolute stitches. I think the funniest one that I read was that he looked like Tommy Robinson, just like as depicted in The Wizard of Oz. We had the flying monkeys that decided to leave his channel, come over and leave their input at Just Gone Viral, only to them go and fly back. This is also another classic move and trait of a narcissist. So the next move will be is to serve the letter on to Tubby. People have said to me, how are you going to obtain the address? To be honest with you, I can't disclose what information I know, but I don't even need that. After all, where do you find most auditors apart from out and about? So, just to make this extra special, we'll be doing a live stream of when we serve the paperwork to Tubby. This is because we know Tubby has a reputation of lying, especially when it comes to driving offences and blaming it on his nan. So we won't be taking any chances, and especially with the 3 other thugs he's decided to align himself with no SIA badges, courteously provided by Charlie Veach. It starts to make you wonder if Tubby has also sold his soul. I think what a lot of people think, and the misconception is that reporting on news and crime is some way some sort of personal attack. Over 800 videos exist on the channel, and there's only 2 of this man, so therefore I don't think it's some sort of fan base or personal attack. If that's the case, then I'll be waiting to hear from Russell Brand, Katy Perry, Hugh Edwards or even Philip Schofield, which is why in 2.5 years there's never been nothing that's been put on the channel, anything like that, because I make sure that I do my research and the information that I give is backed with factual evidence and also images, which is exactly what we did in the video. The problem with being a bully is you expose yourself to being bullied yourself. So you might bully other people, but you won't be bullying me. So Tubby, I don't need to know the address. All I will do is find out where you're auditing one day, we can put you on a live stream, give you your paperwork in a politely manner, then we will be on our way. But I can see this turning into the hunt for Tubby. I don't care how long it takes, but Tubby will be getting his paperwork, whether he likes it or not. The only problem of denying reality is you can't deny the consequences of denying reality. And with the other comments that were left, such as what makes you so special as to pursue a legal case. My answer would be, is I have a good brain and intelligence, and I certainly don't put up with bullies. Other lame comments were ones such as chasing for clout. With one of the Jay Slater videos on the channel at 637,000 views in 4 days, I think we're past the point of chasing clout. One viewer and subscriber asked if I'd give a rundown of the court cases that I'd won on my own legal representation. I will leave these in a post after this video, which will be either posted today or tomorrow morning, and you can read the details for yourself. All I did was report on the news and crimes that you committed, and it was never personal. But since your claims are false defamation and false privacy policy, it now is. And as a special Brucey bonus and a way of saying thank you to sticking all the way to the end of the video, the banned video is about to drop again in the next 5 seconds. And on that note, make sure to take care of yourselves and each other, smash subscribe and smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.